Hi beautiful family, on today's video I will share with you how to mix Vaseline and cloves for 10 times faster hair growth, and also it also helps to see in your hair. Is a good sealant, and I will take you step by step how to prepare this recipe for best results to get the good benefit of this ingredient without losing the benefit of this ingredient. So please stay tuned, watch this video to the end so I will not miss any important part of this video. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video. I'm using original blue sea Vaseline, and please make sure that you use original blue sea Vaseline for best results. And while buying your blue sea Vaseline, check the expiring date so you not buy what have already expired. Okay, it's very important. These are some benefits to be gotten on using blue sea Vaseline on your hair. Blue sea Vaseline can help lock in moisture, prevent hair from becoming dry and brittle. It can also protect hair from harsh environmental factors by forming a barrier. Regular using can help to reduce split end and also by keeping your hair moisturized. Okay, this is what we need in this season. So moving on to my second ingredient is cloves. Combine these two ingredients together is a great idea, is a great combination, because you have very good benefits on growing your hair with this combination, and your hair will grow like crazy, taking up your hair, stop your hair loss, and so many other benefits to be gotten on using this recipe. Okay, and I will list that later on this video. I'm scooping out 2 tablespoons of my cloves. Okay, if you have powder one, also make use of it, but I don't have the powder one. After scooping it out, I'll go off camera to use my local mortar to pound it into a powder form. But if you have powder one, you don't need to go through that stress. Okay, so I bring in my pots, pour in hot water into the pot, bring in my stainless plate and put it on top of the hot water. I'm going to make use of 2 tablespoons of my blue sea Vaseline. This infusion method is the best to infuse this for you to get best benefit of these 2 ingredients we are using today. But please make sure that the hot water you are using is very hot. It's going to help you to infuse this more faster and more easier. Once my blue sea Vaseline has started dissolving, next thing I'll bring in my cloves and pour in my pounded cloves into it, my powder cloves into it, and keep on stirring it. But if you stir this and your water has started getting cold and you feel like you have not infused very well, feel free to change your hot water and pour in, throw away the cold one and pour in another hot water into the pot to keep on stirring it. But I use only once, okay, because the water I'm using was very hot. If you are using very hot water, with that first point of hot water, it will be okay for you to infuse this. So when to know when it's ready, it's going to get so dark, like as you can see, it's very dark now, to show that yes, it is ready to be used. Okay, so I keep on stirring it again to make sure that once the water, I check the water and the water has started getting cold. So next thing I will do now, I'm going to remove the plate from the water. Okay, once I remove the plate from the water, immediately you need to use your shifter or your wig cap, whatever you want to use, and strain it immediately. Do not allow this to solidify, because once it gets solidified, it will be very hard for you to strain out. It cannot be able to strain it out. So I bring in my little container and my hanky. I'm using my hanky, but my hanky is super clean. Okay, don't use dirty something to strain this. So I'll transfer it into the hanky and my container to collect my pomade. Okay, so I will squeeze it very well to make sure that I bring out all the pomade out of the chaff of the gloves. Okay, so see, I'm trying to show you my hand. It already start getting solidified little by little. That's why I say you need to do this when it's very hot. So next thing now, I pour in my 1 tablespoon of my powerful DIY hair growth oil. So if I have not seen this DIY hair growth oil, I'm going to leave it up here or down below. So if you have essential oil, you can also drop it, or vitamin E oil, you can also drop it. So I cover it up and keep it away to solidify by himself. Don't put this in refrigerator or in fridge. It's going to solidify on his own. Okay, next thing, I bring my plate and pour in hot water inside the plate and bring in my clove chaff. Start dumping it into the water, guys, because that cloves still have more powerful potent into it. The powerful of the cloves have not really released very well into the blue sleeve Vaseline, so I'm going to still make use of it by this way to also get the good benefit of this. Okay, so I will damp and keep it away for 3 hours to infuse for 3 hours. After 3 hours, this is what I got so far. Do you see how the water have darkened so much to show that yes, that cloves still have more good powerful on it? So please do not throw away your own. Okay, use this to get all the good benefits of cloves out of it. So after the 2 hours to 3 hours, do you see the pomade have already solidified? Also, it's very easy for this to solidify. Under 30 minutes it have already solidified. It not take time to solidify, so you don't need to stress yourself by putting it in the fridge or freezer. Just keep it on top of your cabinet. It's going to be solidified and it's ready to use. Guys, this pomade is so amazing. This pomade is so powerful. Guys, using this pomade in this winter period is going to benefit you a lot. You never get tired of using this pomade. As you can see, blue sleeve Vaseline help lock in moisture and also help to protect your hair from harsh weather, and this season we are into is a harsh weather. Using Vaseline on your hair is a great moisturizer for you for this season. Okay, so this is the stage of my hair. I'm going to apply the liquid first on my hair. I'm showing you how to use this on your hair. Okay, so first of all, do not apply this pomade on a dry scalp or on a dry hair. Okay, use liquid to damp your hair first. That's why I prepare that cloves water with that chaff of my cloves. Okay, so make sure that you have a tea spray or plain water to damp your hair first before you can follow up with the pomade. That's the only way you can get the best benefit of this pomade. If you apply this on top of your dry hair or dry scalp, it's not going to do any good to your hair. Rather, it will sit on top of your hair and be causing build up on your hair. Okay, so for you to get the full benefit of this recipe, damp your hair with your liquid or your herbal tea and follow up with this pomade. Moisturize your hair with it, both on your scalp and on the strand of your hair. You're going to have very good effective result on it. Okay, this recipe is bomb. This recipe is very effective in growing your hair. Guys, do not joke with this recipe, especially in this winter season. This is what we need to keep our hair hydrated and moisturized. Our natural hair is kinky, it's very easy to break out. Only this winter period can make your hair be brittle. It can make you to lose a lot of hair if you do not take proper care of your hair. So do you see how my hair is? My hair is super moisturized, super hydrated. This pomade is good to go. I hope you find this video helpful. If I watch up to this point, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for engaging on my video. If today is your first time stopping by in this channel, I love you so much. Thank you for stopping by. Do not make it your last. Click on that subscribe button now and turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploading videos, okay, or my future videos. Okay, my 20 subscriber, you guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always come back to watch my video, for the engaging, for the support, for the love. I love you guys so much. Please guys, let me know your opinion in this recipe. Drop a comment in comment section below. If there's anything you do not understand, if there's anything I did not cover up on this video, free to let me know. I'm going to cover it up. Okay, use this consistent on your hair. Can you this 3 times in a week, because we are into winter period when our hair dries so much. Use this 3 times in a week, and whenever you are going outside, please cover your hair. Do not leave your hair like that and go out. Okay, it will help to protect the moisture on your hair. This will be closing today's video. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Do not forget to give me thumbs up, like this video, share the video to your family and friends. I will see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed out there. I love you, but God love you more. Bye. Mwah.